Let's do a future progression meditation. It's 31st December 2023 as I'm filming this, but we're going to collapse timelines and journey together to 31st December 2024. We're going to visualize all of the goals that we want to achieve in 2024, and we're going to get into that feeling state as if it already happened, okay? But before we begin, I'd like to let you know that all of my courses are on sale for the end of the year. So grab it at the link in my bio right now and join our community. So find a comfortable position, relax, and gently close your eyes. This will not take long at all. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's step into your future and explore all of these successes that you desire to experience in 2024. Keep taking deep breaths and just feel your body relax more and more with each breath. And now imagine a pathway. And this pathway will lead you towards the end of 2024. With each step on this path, you're moving closer to December 31st, 2024. As you arrive at the end of this pathway, just see yourself looking back over the year. 2024. Visualize the goals that you set earlier in the year and how you accomplished each and every one of them. See the challenges you faced and how you overcame them. What have you learned? How have you grown? Imagine the accomplishments you're most proud of. Maybe it's a personal goal, a professional milestone. Maybe you learned a new skill. Just see yourself celebrating these achievements. Feel the joy, the pride, and the satisfaction in these moments. Think about how you've grown personally as well. How have your relationships evolved? Visualize the connections you've strengthened and the new bonds you've formed, the new people you've met. Reflect on the moments of love and joy that you shared with others. And now notice the overall feeling of 2024. What themes emerged? Allow these reflections to give you a sense of gratitude. You had an amazing year. You accomplished all of your goals. You connected with new people. You experienced even more magic that you could ever have known. Take a deep breath here. And just slowly and gently return to the present moment. Begin to walk back along the pathway, your energy filled with joy and excitement and gratitude for all that you have accomplished in 2024. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Beautiful. Please share with me what you accomplished in 2024. What were your goals? Tell me everything in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, for meditating with me. Have a great year ahead. Happy New Year, and I hope you have the best 2024. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.